Tired of seeing irrelevant contacts cluttering your Aisensy account? Let's declutter. Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important aspect of contact management within Aisensy. Why you're deleting those imported contacts you no longer need. This is crucial for maintaining data hygiene and ensuring you're only reaching out to the right audience. First things first, log into your Aisensy account. Once you're in, navigate to the Contacts section, usually located on the left-hand sidebar menu. Click on it. Now you'll land on your main contact list. By default, it'll probably show all contacts. To find those imported specifically, you might want to use the filter options. Look for options like list, tags, or even source within the filter menu if you used a specific list or tag when you imported these contacts. Selecting that filter will narrow down your contacts to only those you want to delete. Once you've filtered your contacts and identified the ones you want to remove, select them individually by checking the box next to their name. After you've selected all the contacts you want to delete, look for the Bulk Actions menu. This usually appears at the top or bottom of the contact list. After you've selected contacts in this menu, you'll find the Delete option. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, warning you that this action is permanent. Make sure you've selected the correct contacts, then confirm the deletion. And that's it. Your unwanted imported contacts are now removed from your Aisensy account, keeping your contact list clean and manageable. Remember to regularly review and update your contacts for optimal campaign performance. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks. See you in the next video.